like it snow.
A few days ago, my daughter went running through the house, yelling something about some snow. And when I got over to the window, she was looking outside and she was like, "Daddy, look, I want to go outside and play in the snow. Can you open the door?" Can I open the door? Girl, no, I ain't opening no door. You got on a t-shirt, some pants, no socks, no shoes, and you want me to just open the door and let you out. You know, she actually got an attitude with me when I told her no. So I looked at her and I told her, no, we can't go outside just yet. And if I were to open this door and let you out, you would literally die in a matter of minutes. But what we can do is let's go to your room, we'll get your snow clothes, and we'll start getting ready. We'll go outside in a little bit. And it was like instantly, God hit me and said, and that's exactly what I have to do with my children. And all I could think of was how many times he must stand there and watch us banging on doors and looking out of windows, and we're begging him to let us outside, begging him to open the door, begging him to let us have what we see, let us have the thing that we want. And he, like a good father, has to look at it knowing that he understands it better than we do and say no. And then we get an attitude, then we get angry. Then we feel like he's forgotten us and that he doesn't care and that he's not even paying attention to the things that we need, the things that we want. And even as I started helping her, you know, we're putting on her socks, putting on her snowmobile pants, getting her coat, her hat, her boots. All I can think of was like, and here's the process that I'm going through to get her ready to do what she initially asked me to do. How many times has God told us no, but it wasn't a no forever? It was actually a no, you're not ready yet. Because he knows if what's on the other side of that door would be harmful to us if we didn't go through this process. And then as I'm walking her back to the door that she was begging me to go out of earlier, I'm realizing that now that I've gotten her ready, I have no problem with opening the door. And I believe that's what God does for us. He says no because he knows that this very thing could destroy our marriage. It could take us down a path we never recover from. It could wipe out all our finances. It could take our very lives. He knows what's best for you. He knows when the best time is to give it to you. So trust him to walk you through the process. Have faith and know that he wants what's best for you. And that when he has you ready, he's going to walk up to that very door. He's going to pull it open in a way that nobody else could shut it. And he's going to walk you right outside to have the time of your life. He loves you. He wants the best for you. And he loves you enough to tell you, no, you're not ready yet. But if you walk with me, I'll get you prepared. I'll open this door for you. And I'll send you outside to thrive in the very place you would have died in had I have opened that door before.
Well,
Gotcha.